Check out the 2009 Mini Cooper. Agile handling and quick, precise steering make the Mini Cooper lots of fun to drive. The cabin is roomy with plenty of front legroom. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, auto off headlights, power driver mirrors, front wheel drive, heated driver's seat, heated front seats. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Mini certified pre-owned vehicles are obsessively inspected by the highly skilled Mini technicians. Mini certifies their vehicles in one of two ways. Both include warranty, 24/7 roadside assistance, and the assurance that your Mini has been reconditioned with 100% genuine Mini parts. Talk to your local dealer today to find out more about the Mini certified pre-owned program.